In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage coupons in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a discount code, decide what it applies to, and control when it's valid, all from your site dashboard. Start by opening your Wix site dashboard. From there, hover over marketing, then hover over discounts and click coupons. This is your central hub for every promotion you run. You'll see existing coupons, their status, and quick actions you can take without hunting through other menus. To create a new one, click Create Coupon or Add Coupon. You'll be asked to choose a coupon type. For most standard promotions, select Discount. This gives you full control over percentage and fixed amount offers, which covers the vast majority of use cases. Next, fill in the coupon details. In the coupon code field, type the code customers will enter at checkout, such as save10. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to type. Using uppercase letters and avoiding spaces helps prevent errors. In the coupon name field, give it a clear internal name. You can repeat the code or use something descriptive like spring sale 10% off so you can instantly recognize it later. Now set the discount amount. If you want a percentage off, choose discount percent and enter the number, like 10 for 10%. If you prefer a fixed reduction, select fixed amount and enter the value. For example, I'm for 5 off. Pick the one that aligns with your pricing strategy. Percentage discounts scale with the cart size, while fixed amounts are great for smaller orders or specific items. Choose what the coupon applies to. Under Apply To, you can make it site-wide by selecting all products or all services, which is perfect for broad sales. If you want to target specific items or categories, select those instead. This is ideal for collections, new arrivals, or a particular service you're promoting. Keeping offers focused can help protect your margins. Set the validity dates under Valid Between. Choose a start date and an end date to control exactly when the code works. If you want the coupon to run indefinitely, toggle on the infinite date option so it never expires. Clear time windows help you plan campaigns and avoid surprise redemptions. When everything looks right, click Create Coupon to save it. To manage it later, use the 3 dots next to the coupon to edit, duplicate, deactivate, or delete. Duplicating is great for recurring campaigns, deactivating pauses a promo without losing settings, and deleting cleanse up old codes. That's how you add coupons in your Wix website. By creating a discount coupon, setting the amount and validity dates, and choosing where it applies, you can give visitors an easy way to redeem special offers at checkout. Thanks for watching.